This is an older model King Kutter grater blade. Here's the blade right here. I got it tipped up so I can work on it. And as you can see, it's got quite a bit of tip to it. So what I'm going to do today is just show you how you fix that. Now, up underneath here, if you look up under, all right, so right here, you're going to see a weld. Okay, right there you'll find a weld, and I've ground it out. So that nut is welded to that bolt, and I just took an angle grinder and ground it out of there. And now let me show you how you go about tightening it up. Now, in order to tighten this up, get you a piece of wood and block this lever down so that it won't engage the teeth up here. And then get you a heavy bar and put it against one of the flats of the bolt, like that, and then just rotate it. Until you've tightened it up. Now mine, you know, as these things flex, it's going to pry these apart a little bit and kind of bend it so it won't go flat together. And you don't want it completely together because you still want to be able to adjust it. So once you get it tight, make sure it's not too tight. Yeah, that'll actually work good right there. Then when you, with it in this tightened position, just put you a spot weld on it to hold that nut in place, and you're good to go. Alright, I know it's kind of dark back up in there, but that's got the spot weld put back on there, and that's got my play down way less than what it was. Anyway, if you have this problem, hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.